Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Hogwarts legacy lag. It's easy. If you want to fix it, just click here, type here view advanced system settings. Now click settings here and click adjust for best performance, and then click enable this option, and also this one. Wait, and just enable the three options, and then click apply and OK, and then type here game mode, enable this one, go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, go to graphics settings, and now turn on this one, and after that restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, right click on your desktop and click NVIDIA control panel. Now click use my preference, move it to performance, and then click apply and then close it. And after that go to background apps, turn off the first option here to turn off all those applications here in the background. And after that go to notification settings. Now turn off notifications, go to tablet, click never use tablet mode, and disable this option, and that's it. After that just close this one, and now type here device manager. Now go to display adapters, make sure to update those drivers, just make sure it's updated, and also the next one, and that's it. After that just try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.